Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome back to the Disposal Blade Woodshop. We're here today to do a short demo and an introduction to the new self-set system from Disposal Blade. It's the only affordable self-setting knife system available today that utilizes your existing cutter head. It fits in a variety of machines that have conventional cutter heads from 6-inch joiners up to 36-inch planers. All sizes, all brands, all makes and models, not dependent on age at all. So, what we've done, we have a 15-inch generic planer, and we've removed the dust shrouds, the safety equipment, and unplugged the power source. We've loosened the gib bolts, and we're going to remove the conventional knife that came with the machine. You're never going to use this again. No regrinding, no waiting for it to be sharpened and returned. Just forget about it, throw it away. You're going to replace it now with the self-set system from Disposal Blade. What makes this system unique are the built-in stops that are located on this knife holder. They allow for a quick setting with no measuring, no jigs, no complicated setting gauges at all. It still utilizes the famous double-edged disposable blade made of quality Krupp German steel. Again, double-edged, double to life, available for all different sizes. The way this works, the knife indexes on the knife holder, and you can feel it and you can hear it when it's fastened. Now we're merely going to take the knife and holder, drop it down in the cutter head, and when the stops contact the leading edge of that cutter head, the knife is perfectly set. Those stops are the secret to the Disposal Blade's self-setting system. It represents the value necessary today to compete in the woodshop market. And not only that, we've all been taught that sharp tools equate to high quality work. Again, if you're watching this on our website, there's additional information available. Getting back to our machine, we're going to replace the shrouds, we're going to bolt down the gibs, we're going to run this edge till it's dull. When it is, it's a simple matter of reversing the process, removing the knife and holder from the machine, flipping the knife end for end to expose the second edge, and reinstalling it. When the contact is made between the stops and the cutter head, that knife is perfectly set for correct protrusion. Again, in this economy, Disposal Blade is not an accessory. Disposal Blade is a necessity. Why don't you call us today at our toll-free number, 800-557-8092, and I'll be happy to discuss this application for your machine. And remember, Disposal Blade is the only affordable self-setting knife that utilizes the existing cutter head in your machine. Give me a call today or go to our website, disposalblade.com, for all the information. Thanks for watching. I'll be waiting for your call.